Welcome to the ultimate guide on Scandinavian design. Let's explore how to create a beautifully simple home. Stepping inside, the first thing you notice is the airy, uncluttered space. Every element has room to breathe. It's all about creating a sense of hygge, a feeling of cozy, contentment, and well-being in your everyday life. Maximizing natural light is crucial. Large, unadorned windows blur the line between indoors and the natural world. The layout promotes a seamless flow. It's a highly practical, organized approach that makes daily life much easier. Emerging in the 1950s, this style was born from a desire to make beautiful, functional design accessible to everyone. The core philosophy is simple. Form must always follow function. Nothing is purely decorative without a purpose. Designed to combat dark, harsh winters, these spaces use light colors and warm textures to create a cozy sanctuary. It rejects overwhelming trends, focusing instead on timeless appeal, quality craftsmanship, and enduring materials. Today, it continues to evolve, beautifully blending organic warmth with sleek, contemporary, and minimalist precision. A key feature is true minimalism. Clutter is hidden away, leaving only purposeful items and a profound sense of calm. To balance the clean lines, layers of cozy textures like wool and linen are added, creating a deeply inviting atmosphere. Bringing nature indoors is essential. Thriving green plants breathe life into the space and soften the strict architecture. The furniture features modern, exceptionally clean lines. Every piece is practical, unornamented, and beautifully functional. Natural materials rule. Pale woods are often paired with durable, matte stone surfaces like gray granite for everyday luxury. The color palette always starts with a brilliant white foundation. This acts as a blank canvas to maximize all available light. Layered upon the white are soft, muted neutrals. Warm beiges, grays, and light grays create a peaceful, harmonious balance. Subtle pops of color are inspired by nature. Think muted sage greens, dusty blues, or soft terracotta to add visual interest. To prevent the room from feeling floating or sterile, stark black accents are used strategically to ground and define the space. Finally, light wood itself acts as a vital color. Pale ash, pine, and oak bring immense natural warmth to the white backdrop. Natural wood is the absolute foundation of this style. Pale woods like ash, beech, and pine bring immense organic warmth indoors. Natural stone adds durable elegance. Matte, light gray granite or subtle marble perfectly complements the warmth of pale cabinetry. To combat the cold, tactile fabrics are essential. Chunky wool blankets, sheepskin rugs, and soft linen add much needed warmth. Warm cognac leather brings a touch of organic luxury, while matte black metal accents provide a striking, sharp, modern contrast. Let's explore room by room. The living room is a serene gathering space centered around comfortable, low-profile, and practical seating. Lighting is carefully layered. Combine a soft, statement pendant light with practical floor and table lamps for a warm, inviting glow. Keep decorations minimal but deeply meaningful. A few vibrant green plants and a single striking piece of art are all you need. The bedroom is your ultimate sanctuary. It must be utterly peaceful, free of any daily distractions, and focused entirely on rest. Storage is completely hidden. Built-in wardrobes with perfectly flat, handleless doors blend seamlessly into the walls for a clean look. Layering breathable, natural textiles is key here. Use crisp, organic cotton, soft washed linen, and cozy wool for the ultimate hygge bed. The kitchen is the highly functional heart of the home. It blends pale wood cabinetry with durable, elegant stone surfaces. Ditch heavy upper cabinets for minimalist open shelving. Display only your most beautifully functional everyday items. Create a cozy, sunlit breakfast nook. A simple wooden table and comfortable cushions bring hygge directly into the kitchen. Transform the bathroom into a serene oasis. Combine pure white tiles with pale oak floating vanities for a spa-like feel. Keep the layout unbroken. Frameless glass showers and sleek matte black fixtures create a highly modern, incredibly clean look. Maximize light with oversized, frameless mirrors. They bounce natural daylight around, making the space feel incredibly airy. Add warmth to the pristine tiles. Introduce soft, waffle weave towels and raw wood accents to bring hygge to the bathroom. Ready to design? Tip 1. Ruthlessly declutter. Scandinavian style requires negative space to let the architecture breathe. Tip 2. Ditch the heavy curtains. Use sheer white linen panels or leave windows completely bare to maximize natural light. Tip 3. Follow the 60-30-10 color rule. 60% white, 30% pale wood, and 10% dark contrast. Tip 4. Master the art of layering. Mix chunky wools, soft linens, and sheepskin to add incredible warmth to clean spaces. Tip 5. Bring the outdoors in. A sculptural branch or a large, thriving green plant breathes vibrant life into any room. Tip 6. Choose quality over quantity. Invest in a few incredibly well-made, enduring pieces rather than cheap, fast furniture. Tip 7. Hide the clutter. Utilize seamless, floor-to-ceiling built-ins to hide everyday items and maintain absolute peace. Tip 8. Embrace hygge. Light some warm pillar candles. Grab a heavy wool blanket and focus on the simple joy of staying in. In conclusion, Scandinavian style is a beautiful balance. It's the perfect harmony of pure white light and warm, natural wood. It completely rejects overwhelming trends, focusing entirely on timeless craftsmanship, profound utility, and clean, honest lines. But most importantly, it's deeply accessible. It's about creating a highly functional space that truly supports your daily life. By stripping away the unnecessary, you are left with a profoundly peaceful sanctuary, a quiet refuge from the chaotic world. Thank you for watching. Embrace the simplicity, let the light in, and start creating your own beautiful Scandinavian home today.